Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore inner stroke highlights effects in Photoshop. Take a photo layer and open layer styles, then click stroke and change position to inside. Choose white or bright color for highlights, set size to 3 to 6 px. This gives a beautiful framed glow on your photo edges. And add inner shadow for depth contrast. Now you have got a cinematic frame look. And also adjust fill for more subtly. Use it for portraits or thumbnails. It adds professional photo framing instantly. No extra plugins, just stroke and fill magic. Try it on product shots too. It